Hi, welcome back. Today we have a question which is a 1:10 scale model of an automobile is used to measure the drag on the proposed design. It is to simulate a prototype speeds of 90 km per hour. What speed should be used in the wind tunnel if Renault number are equated? For this condition, what is the ratio of the drag force? So here the question asks, we need to analyze the question, what speed should be used in the wind tunnel? So in this case, the speeds of the model, because the model experiment only conducted in the wind tunnel. For the prototype, it is very huge. Alright, so the speed of the model to be investigated, and then what is the ratio of drag force? Ratio of drag force, which is FD. So remember, when we look at the drag force, we can equate with the ratio of the initial force, rho v squared L squared. So step number 1, we need to list out what's given for the model as well as for the prototype. So given here is the model. So what's the model given here is it is to simulate a prototype speed at 90 km per hour, right? So here is given the model as well as the prototype. Okay, the prototype here is given that the speed of the prototype, it is to simulate a prototype speed. So VP equal to 90 km per hour. This is not SI unit. We need to convert to SI unit. So what speed should be used? So the question asks Vm to be used. And for this condition, what's the ratio of drag force? So the ratio of the drag force, they're going to find the... Okay, so for this case, they're going to find the ratio of drag force between the model and the prototype. So after this, here, we need to consider the scale given. The scale given here is 1:10. This is for model, this is for prototype. Definitely this M will be like this, the length of the model ratio to the length of the prototype. This is having the geometric similarity. Alright, in order to have similitude, the model or the geometric between the model and the prototype should have the similarity in terms of geometric ratio. This is geometric ratio. Alright, so step number 2, we need to equate the Renault number. Here the question asks if Renault number are equated. So what's the Renault number? Renault number for the model and the prototype as well. So equate Renault number of the model equal to Renault number for the prototype. So what's the Renault number? Renault number by definition is rho VD or rho VL over mu or VL over nu. So for simplicity, we're going to use this term first. Alright. So we equate here velocity of the model, length of the model over the mu of the model equal to velocity of the prototype, length of the prototype over nu of the prototype. Alright. So in this case, the drag force on the proposed designs is simulate of the prototype at the speed what's the wind tunnel. Alright, this automobile is located at the wind tunnel, so definitely having the same for this condition. Alright, so having the same fluids, which is air and the wind. Right, so the viscosity V, this is mu m, should be equal to viscosity of the prototype, because the prototype under the wind. Alright, it is the same fluids here. Right, so the drag force on in the wind tunnel. Alright, so we can cancel out this term, mu of the model and v of the prototype. So from here we need to equate the velocity of the model. That's the question asked, Vm. So Vm here is equal to Vp multiplied with Lp over Lm. So Vp is given to be 90 km per hour. Alright, so we need to convert this 90 km per hour into SI unit. So 90 km per hour multiplied with 10 to the power of 3 over 3600 second. And then you will find the answer to be 25 meter per second. This is the SI unit for velocity prototype. So just substitute here 25 meter per second multiplied with LP, which is LP is 10, LM is 1. So 10 divided with 1. So the final answer is 250 meter per second. Alright, so next question asks, what is the ratio of drag forces? The ratio of the drag forces. So for the similarity to exist, alright, this is under step number 3. For similarity to exist, we equate, alright, the drag force ratio to initial force. Initial force ratio. Alright, so let's start with the FD, or you can FD of the prototype, or you can say FD of the model, should be okay. FD of the model equate with the initial force, which is rho of the prototype, rho V squared of the prototype, L squared of the prototype, over with rho V L squared model, and model. So we know that this is under the air, the influence of air. The density of both model and prototype should be the same. So we can cancel out this term, and then just substitute the value. Vp is 25, Vm is 250. Okay, so Vp is 25 and Vm is 250 meter per second. This is the power of 2 multiplied with Lp. So Lp here given, alright, 10, and Lm is 1. Just substitute Lp is 10 squared over 1 squared. So you will find that the final answer is equal to 1. This is the ratio of the drag force ratio of the prototype to the model equal to 1. Therefore, that is the final answer.